Good morning, students. Welcome to your online lecture of English. Students, in the previous online lecture, we have studied our lesson 2.4 Unity is Strength. And in our today's online lecture, we are going to study the notes of this lesson 2.4 Unity is Strength. So students, are you all ready for learning your subject English? So students, I request all the students to open your combined book, Navjeevan term book, and a pencil with you so that you can write the notes. I am going to explain the notes from the combined book. 2.4 Story Time Unity is Strength. In the previous online lecture, we have studied the lesson Story Time. Do you all remember, students? Yes. So, I hope so everyone have understood the story, the lesson Story Time Unity is Strength. This lesson is very important. So, the notes of this lesson I am going to discuss with you today in this online lecture. So, students, be ready, carry a pencil with you and remove your combined book. Those students are not having the combined book, they will remove their English notebook. So students, let us begin with our notes of the lesson. So let me remind you before I start the explanation. In the previous online lecture, we studied Unit 2, 2.4 Story Time Unity is Strength. So this story was about an old man, a father who was an old man, and he was having the 4 sons. And the 4 sons used to fight every time. So the old man was worried because they used to fight every time. So once what happened, the old man thought an idea to teach the sons the lesson. So he bought a bundle of sticks and he told the sons to break the bundle of sticks. And to break the bundle, it was not possible. Each son tried to break the bundle, but the bundle couldn't break. So the eldest son tried and then the next 3 sons tried, but they could not succeed in breaking the bundle of sticks. So the old man said, "Now divide the bundle." He said the sons to divide the bundle of sticks, and he gave each stick to each son, and he said to break the stick. Now the stick was easily broken. Why, students? Because the stick was single. So he said that when there is a bundle of stick, it is hard to break, and when we divide the sticks, the single stick is easily broken. So he taught them a lesson that unity is strength. When you all 4 are there in unity, when you divide the work, when you stay together, the work is easily being done. And when you try to do the work singly, the work is not possible. So the four sons, they tried and then they got an idea and they got the lesson. The father, the old man said. So they started working together and helped each other from that day. So in this lesson, unity is strength. He said that unity is strength. I explained the entire lesson in the previous lecture. This was a short explanation. Those who have missed the lecture. So in short, I have given the summary of the lesson. So today we are going to learn the notes of the lesson 2.4, Story Time, Unity is Strength. Students, open your combined book, term book, your Navjeevan, term book, combined book number 2. As you can see in the picture. So those who are having the combined book, they will remove their combined book, and those students who are not having, they will remove their English notebook. So let us start with the notes of this lesson. Students, open page number 11. 2.4, Story Time, Unity is Strength, Unit 2. Open your page number 11 of your combined book. Today, the notes which I am going to explain you, this same notes is there in your textbook behind the lesson. So, we are learning it in the combined book, as in the combined book, the extra questions are also there and you will understand in a better way. Let us start with the question number 1, keywords. What are the keywords? Keywords are the meanings. The first word is quarreling. Quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. An argument. You can say it. The answer can be fighting or an argument, dispute. बच्चों, quarreling का मतलब है झगड़ना, fighting. Second one is no time. No time means very short time, very less time. No time means कम समय. Third one is united. United means in Hindi एकता, to join together. साथ में काम करना, उसे कहते हैं एकता, to join together. Fourth one is avoid. To try not to do something. Avoid means नज़रअंदाज करना, वो चीज़ नहीं करना. To try not to do something. Now the next, fifth one, you can see this side. Gave up. G-A-V-E, gave, U-P, up. Gave up. To stop doing something. कोई भी चीज़ करने से रुक जाना, वो चीज़ नहीं करना. To stop doing something. The next one is meaningful. M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning F-U-L, full. Meaningful, something important. बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़. Meaningful. Next is worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D, worried. Worried मतलब चिंता, चिंतित होना. Answer is unhappy. Unhappy means unhappy, sad, worried. उदास होना, चिंतित होना. The last one is force. F-O-R-C-E, force. Answer is strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength यानी ताकत. Now, let us see the below classwork homework. Now, these question answers are very important, students, for your exam. In the exam, the objective question can also come. बच्चों, आपके एग्ज़ाम में आंसर्स में से भी फिलअप्स आ सकते हैं, तो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लर्न करना बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन आंसर. आंसर द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट वन, व्हाई वॉज द ओल्ड मैन वरीड. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई वॉज द ओल्ड मैन वरीड. ओल्ड मैन, बूढ़ा आदमी, चिंतित क्यों था. आंसर, the old man was worried because his sons always quarreled with each other. Old man was worried because his sons always quarreled with each other. Old man, बूढ़ा आदमी, चिंतित इसीलिए था क्योंकि उनके चारों बेटे हमेशा एक दूसरे से क्वेरल यानी फाइटिंग करते थे, झगड़ते रहते थे. द सेकेंड वन, व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन द सन्स ट्राइड टू ब्रेक द बंडल ऑफ स्टिक्स. क्या हुआ जब बेटों ने बंडल ऑफ स्टिक्स यानी लकड़ियों के बंडल को तोड़ने की कोशिश की. व्हेन द सन्स tried to break the bundle. Now turn the page, students. Come to page number 12. Of sticks, the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. जब उनके बेटों ने कोशिश की बंडल ऑफ स्टिक्स तोड़ने की तो वो बंडल नहीं टूटे. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? Now come to page number 11 again. When the sons tried to break the bundle, the last word is not proper, students. bundle bundle of sticks. The sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. The sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. यानी कि वो स्टिक्स टूटे नहीं, वो बंडल में उसी तरीके से वैसे ही रह गए. द थर्ड वन, सी व्हाट हैपेंड विद द सिंगल स्टिक. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, सिंगल स्टिक यानी एक जो लकड़ी थी उसके साथ क्या हुआ. सिंगल स्टिक के साथ क्या हुआ. आंसर, द सिंगल स्टिक वॉज ईजीली ब्रोकन. जो सिंगल स्टिक थी यानी एक लकड़ी थी वो आसानी से टूट गई. व्हाट हैपेंड विद द सिंगल स्टिक. क्वेश्चन आंसर इज द सिंगल स्टिक वॉज ईजीली ब्रोकन. द नेक्स्ट वन, फोर्थ वन, डी, व्हाट लेसन डिड द सन्स लर्न. द answer is the sons learnt the lesson that unity is strength. आखिर में बेटों ने कौन सा लेसन यानी कौन सी सीख उनको मिली. लास्ट में आके बेटों को ये पता चला कि यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ, एकता ही ताकत है. यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ. दिस आंसर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट लेसन did the sons learnt? The sons learnt the lesson that unity is strength. Now question number 2, arrange the following words in a proper order to make meaningful sentence. Now here you can see the words are unscrambled. आप देख सकते हो, इसका मतलब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपको क्वेश्चन में वर्ड्स आगे पीछे यानी अनस्क्रैम्बल्ड यानी आगे पीछे दिए हैं, हमें उसको रीड करके उसे प्रॉपर अरेंज करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज वरीड मैन वॉज ओल्ड द. So these words are unscrambled means it is not in the proper order. So we have to arrange the words according to the story in the lesson. Answer: the old man was worried. Yes or no, students? Yes. Second one, everything for fight they would. Now this is also unscrambled, not in the proper order. We will arrange it. Answer is second one, B. They would fight for everything. C. Third one, sticks of the bundle did break not. So this is not in the proper order. We have to arrange in the proper order. The answer: the bundle of sticks did not break. Now the next, D1, easily broken stick a single is. This is also not in the proper order. We are going to arrange. Answer: a single stick is easily broken. E1, stand, divided, fall, united, we. So this is also not arranged. We are going to arrange it. Answer: united we stand, divided we fall. The next one, F, where sticks the separated. The correct answer is the sticks were separated. So students, question number 2, arrange the following words, is completed. I hope so you all have understood. The words are not in the proper order. We have to arrange it in the proper order. It is the grammar part and this is also important. So you will write in the combined book. Those students are not having the combined book, they will write in the English notebook. Okay, now open your page number 13, 13. Students, have you all opened your page number 13? Let us see question number 3. Students, question number 3, read the following sentences. Change the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. One is done for you. Now students, the question number 3 is different. So try to understand it very carefully. Pay attention in your combined book. बच्चों, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आपको कलर्ड वर्ड्स दिए हैं. जैसे कि आप फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में देखो, ऑरेंज कलर में बॉक्सेस में कलर किया है. इन द क्वेश्चन द ओल्ड मैन वॉज वरीड. तो आप देख सकते हो OLD ओल्ड, MAN मैन, WORRIED वरीड. ये 3 वर्ड कलर किए हैं. इन्हें हमें ये 3 वर्ड को चेंज करने हैं. आंसर: द यंग वुमेन वॉज हैप्पी. तो हमने ओल्ड की जगह पे लिखा है यंग, यानी चेंज किया है. मैन के जगह लिखा है वुमेन, वरीड के जगह लिखा है हैप्पी. स्टूडेंट्स, you can see only we have to change the word which is colored. We have to replace the word. So instead of old I have written young, instead of man I have written in the answer woman, and worried I have written happy. Now second one, he took the bundle and tried to break it. So here there are 3 words in the B. He, BUNDLE bundle, and BREAK break. So we are going to change and replace the other words. Answer: she took the book and tried to read it. So I have replaced SHE, she. Took the is same, Instead of bundle, I have used the word book. You can write anything. B-O-O-K, book, and try to read it. R-E-A-D, read it. Third one is, an old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. An old man. Your 3 words are there. M-A-N, man, S-O-N-S, sons, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. So you have to change only the colored words. बच्चों, आपको क्वेश्चन में जो वर्ड्स कलर किए हुए हैं सिर्फ उन्हें ही चेंज करना है. तो आप कोई भी वर्ड्स आप उसके जगह चेंज करके आप रिप्लेस करके क्वेश्चन को आपको लिखना है आंसर. An old farmer. Instead of man, I have used the word farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Lived with his 4 goats. G-O-A-T-S. Goats in cottage. The cottage word is not properly, you can't see it properly. It is not properly visible. So the spelling is C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. The D1, the next one. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. There are 2 words in the question, brothers and lesson. So I am changing the 2 words. You can see in the answer. This time the children learnt a poem. So I have changed the brothers to children and lesson to poem. And the last one, he gave them small sticks. So here are 3 words that we have to change. He, S-M-A-L-L small, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. So I am changing, the teacher gave them some books. Instead of he, I have used T-H-E, the. Instead of small, I have used S-O-M-E, some. And instead of sticks, I have used B-O-O-K-S, books. So students, I hope so you have understood the question number 3. Now let us have a look to question number 4. So students, question number 4. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Now you can see the flowers. In the middle, the word is given. We are going to see what the question is. So you have to write the words that tell us about the word which is given in the middle, in the yellow portion. So the first flower you can see in the middle, which word is given? M-A-N, man. And in the example, in the one petal of the flower, the word is given O-L-D, old. बच्चों, अब आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में M-A-N, मैन, जो वर्ड दिया है, यही वर्ड को आपको रिलेट करते हुए आपको फ्लावर्स में वर्ड लिखने हैं जो मैन से जॉइंट है या कनेक्टेड है. मैन से जो वर्ड रिलेटेड है वो आपको उसके आंसर में लिखना है. तो आप आपके मन से कोई भी वर्ड बना सकते हो. आपको एग्जाम्पल में दिया है एक फर्स्ट फ्लावर में O-L-D, ओल्ड. नाउ लेट अस सी द आंसर. K-I-N-D, काइंड. काइंड मैन, ओल्ड मैन. W-I-S-E, वाइज मैन. T-A-L-L, टॉल मैन. Y-O-U-N-G, young man. So there are many you can write: tall man, short man, kind man, poor man, rich man, wise man. The answer you can write anything, but only the thing is that in the between, in the middle word, center word, you have to just look it carefully and then you have to frame and write it. In the second flower, the middle word is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So in the example it is given B-I-G, big. You can write small, S-M-A-L-L, small. T-A-L-L, tall. G-R-E-E-N, green. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. So you can write anything: big tree, small tree, tall tree, strong tree, green tree, pink tree, yellow tree. Any words you can use it. Now just open your page number 14, 14. Page number 14, there are two flowers. So let us have a look to the flower and say the answer. The first flower, the middle word flower, flower itself. Now related to the flower, you can make many words. Like one is given to you in the example pink, P-I-N-K, pink flower. I have written pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty flower, T-I-N-Y, tiny flower, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright flower, and beautiful, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful flower. And the next flower you can see in the middle word W-O-M-A-N, woman. Now we have made the word, many words of man. Same way we can write and use with the woman. One is given in the example old, old. You have to write other words. I have used Y-O-U-N-G, young woman, helpful woman, pretty woman, kind woman. You can also write rich woman, tall woman, pretty woman, poor woman. You can use any word. Intelligent woman. So here we have completed this question number 4. Let us see the next question. Question number 5. Read and write. Now the words are given. These are all the new words from the lesson that we have studied 2.4 story time. These are all the words, dictation words, and the words is given. You have to copy the words and write it 3 times. The first word is worried, W-O-R-R-I-E-D, worried. The second word is quarreling, Q-U-A-R-R-E-L-L-I-N-G, quarreling. The third word is agree, A-G-R-E-E, agree. The fourth word is bundle, B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. Now come down. The fifth word is sticks, S-T-I-C-K-S, sticks. The next word is surprised, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D, surprised. The next word is unbroken, U-N-B-R-O-K-E-N, broken, unbroken. And the last word is impossible, I-M-P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, impossible. Now come down. The next word is downward. First word is united, U-N-I-T-E-D, united. Friendship, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, S-H-I-P, ship, friendship. The next word is succeed, S-U-C-C-E-D, succeed. And the last word is F-O-R-C-E, force. You have to write the words 3 times. Students, while you write 3 times, just repeat the words and write it 3 times. You have to learn the dictation words because these words are important. Once you learn all the words, the answer, the question answer and the other answers will be easy for you all. So learn the words properly. Now come to page number 15. Students, now come to page number 15. In the page number 15, on the top, same united, friendship, succeed and force. These words are written. Now this is an activity. So let us see the activity. Question number 1. Find the small words hidden in the big word. 1 is done for you. Now the big word is written in the question. you have to make the small words from the big words. बच्चों, बिग वर्ड यानी बड़ा वर्ड आपके क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है. जैसे कि आप फर्स्ट वन देखो, एवरीथिंग. बिग वर्ड बड़ा वर्ड लिखा है, आपको उसमें से स्मॉल वर्ड्स बनाने हैं यानी छोटे वर्ड बनाने हैं. उसी में से आपको ढूंढ के वर्ड्स तैयार करने हैं. सो you can see the example. First word is everything. Now from that word I have written the answer. Second word is friendship. So from the word friendship I have made 4 words. friend, friend, ship, end, end, hip, hip. So you can make the words of your own. Now the third one is C1 is separated. From separated I have made 4 words. separate, separate, swed, seed, rate, rate, part, part. The next D1 is together. I have made 4 words. From the together, there, TO2, HERE, her, GET, get. From this word together I have made 4 words. And the last word is quarreling. QUARRELL, quarrel, RING, ring, ARER, LINE, line. So you can see the big words is given. From that big word we have to make the small words. You can make any word, but you have to just look carefully that in the question, in the big word, that word which you are using, the letter must be there. So students, here we have completed the notes of the lesson number 2.4, Unity is Strength. You will complete in your combined book by looking at the video. So students, here in our today's online lecture, we have completed the notes of the lesson 2.4 story time. तो बच्चों, आपको ये नोट्स आज के वीडियो में जो आपने पढ़ा वो आपको कंबाइन बुक में लिखना है. जिन बच्चों के पास कंबाइन बुक नहीं है वो इंग्लिश के नोटबुक में 1 टाइम लिखेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, once again thank you for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.